The Quick Click Power Tool dust collection system was engineered and is manufactured in the USA by Cen-Tec Systems. The exposure to dust and fine particulate that comes from the use of power tools is a serious health risk. The Quick Click greatly reduces this risk by collecting the dust and debris as it's being produced. With a wide range of adapter sizes, the Quick Click can connect to almost every power tool. The hose end clip threads onto the hose and easily snaps into the adapters. You can leave the adapters on your tools and quickly switch between them, saving some valuable time. An air relief is on each adapter to prevent the tool from sealing to the work surface. The blue acetal clip is durable and can withstand thousands of uses. Compression rings ensure a secure hold on both handheld and bench power tools. The adapters have 360 degrees of movement, which helps prevent kinking in the hose and resistance to the tool while working. A unique no-weld hose manufacturing process reduces kinking, increasing flexibility, and ensures maximum airflow. Cen-Tec Systems also manufactures the hose ends and shop vacuum tank adapters that have been designed to maximize airflow, which helps prevent clogging. Conductive options are available to prevent the static shocks that are created from dust pickup. Multiple kits are available at varying lengths of hose to suit your needs.
Mounting a router and a router table increases control, safety, and setup reliability, but table mounting can make it more challenging to set your bit's cutting depth and to change bits. The Kreg Precision Router Lift overcomes those challenges by allowing you to control all aspects of your router setup from above the table instead of having to reach underneath. Plus, the Precision Router Lift is packed with features that ensure you'll get the quick, accurate, reliable, and repeatable setups you need to get high-quality routing results. You'll appreciate those features from the moment you mount your router in the lift. Just position the clamp blocks on the heavy-duty router carriage to match your router. Slide the router in, and then tighten a locking bolt on the carriage. The Precision Router Lift accepts 20-plus popular router models just that easily, without modification or the need to purchase additional adapters. Installing router bits is incredibly easy with the Precision Router Lift 2. Instead of having to reach under the table or remove the router from the table entirely, you can simply raise the router up to access the collet from above the table. This dramatically reduces the time and hassle of changing bits, so you'll spend less time getting ready and more time routing. The Precision Router Lift also brings new levels of precision and simplicity to setting your router bit's cutting depth. Just insert the adjusting crank and give it a turn to raise or lower the bit. Every revolution moves the bit exactly 1/16 of an inch. A built-in micro-adjustment scale adds even greater precision by allowing you to accurately track setup changes down to thousandths of an inch. The scale can be adjusted to 0 at any point in order to establish your baseline bit setup, which makes it easy to tell precisely how far the bit is moving from that point as you raise or lower it, and to return to that exact same baseline setup. Built-in anti-backlash compensation assures that there's no slop when you turn the crank, so you can be confident that even the smallest adjustments are incredibly accurate and precise. Once you have your bit setup dialed in, you can lock the carriage in position to maintain that precision cut after cut. The Precision Router Lift is built for durability with a 3/8-inch thick, hard anodized plate that resists scratching and that won't sag, even under the weight of the biggest routers. Ball bearings, heavy-duty metal parts, and precise manufacturing tolerances ensure years of dependable service too. Other great features include Kreg-level lock insert rings to reduce the opening around the bit, and a stainless steel starting pin for routing without a fence. Of course, the Precision Router Lift is compatible with the Kreg Precision Router Table and Benchtop Router Table and with Kreg's Precision Insert Plate Levelers. Whether you're setting up a new router table, upgrading a table you already own, or building a custom router table from scratch, the Kreg Precision Router Lift is a must-have addition that will allow you to spend less time setting up and more time routing with great results. Visit us online at KregTool.com to learn more about the Kreg Precision Router Lift, as well as our other Kreg routing solutions that give you the ability to shape and enhance raw wood with the control, precision, and reliability you want, plus the ease of use and safety you need, so you can start every project with confidence.
Hey everybody, it's Jameson at Grizzly Industrial, and today I want to show you something that has been a game changer in my personal shop, and that is an electric workbench. So having 3 programmable heights is a big deal, because then any machine you have in your shop that needs an outfeed system, you suddenly have that right at your fingertip. Now that's great for outfeeds on any machines, whether it's a table saw, a bandsaw, or a sander. This style of table makes a great assembly table. Now, if you've worked in any cabinet shop before, you know that a lot of traditional benches are down around shin height so that you can work comfortably on the top of a cabinet. This thing allows you to go down to, well, shin height and also up to chest height with the actual tabletop. That is huge, and it saves your back a ton. So an electric workbench is a great thing for that, and this can hold up to 265 pounds. Another great feature. What else can you use an electric workbench for? Well, as you can see with the T-track table on this model, you can actually just make it your face frame creation station. So that's really easy. Simply put your clamps into the T-tracks and hold down your workpieces. This combo is also really easy to assemble. With a couple screws, you're up and running in no time. It's really easy to see how this can become the centerpiece of your shop. Now, you can also make it even more functional by adding something like a power strip. A power strip is a great thing to add to the bottom side, so you have ample plugins for things like sanders or small benchtop machines that you'll place on top. Another great thing you might consider adding is locking casters. My personal one, I've added casters to the bottom that lock in place. That is huge, so now it is a mobile workstation. And that's about it. Adding an electric workbench to my shop has made a huge difference, and I think you'll enjoy one as well. Check them out on grizzly.com. Up we go. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.